Hello guys, hope you are all fine. Today we will learn about everything about domain name, what is domain name and our related question to the domain. So let's starting the video. Our first topic is what is domain name. You might not realize it, but you probably already very familiar with domain names. They are URL you type into your browser to access familiar website. For example, the one of for this site is something like .com. A domain name primary purpose is to act as your website address. Every computer, included the server that hosts your website, has an IP address that made up of string of numbers. Without domain name, user would have enter your server IP address to access your site. Instead, your web address provides an easy to recall alternative user can quickly enter to, to reach your content. If you choose it wisely, it also helps to cement your brand in visitor mind so they become more familiar with it. Our next topic is what is domain name system or what is DNS. In order to understand the ins out and outs of how domain name work, you need to know about the DNS. This is the decentralized system that stores information about your domain or connected to which IP address. When a user enters your domain name in the browser, it then checks the DNS for the corresponding IP address and directs the visitor to the right page. In this sense, you can think of the DNS as directory of internet. There are several seminars in which you might need to interact with DNS directly, such as troubleshooting error or setting up custom email address. It's also key when moving your site to new domain or a new hosting provider. And our next heading is how is domain name different from web hosting. Domain names and web hosting often become co-mingled because many hosting providers are also domain registrars and both services are required to launch a website. However, there are interior, interiorly separate concepts. Your domain as well already explained in your website address. Your web hosting provide you website server which is like its house. All through you can purchase hosting and domain from the same company you don't know have. What is top level domain? TLD. The TLD is the end portion of domain name such as .com. One TLD does not work any better than other when it comes to enabling user to access your site, but there are key difference between them. For instance, your TLD can indicate something about nature of site. For example, .org traditionally used for non-profit organization. Newer TLD such as .blog or shop might be used for content hubs and e-commerce site. Others, namely .gov and edu, required additional verification. They indicate the certain level of authority. Your TLD may also influence the cost of your domain. Win.com address about is run about 10 per year, $10 per year, and INC domain costs several thousands. What is subdomain? If you're familiar with WordPress sites, you will have come across the term subdomain. This URL is specific portion of your website. By microsite in a network. It is designed by prefix such as blogspot.example.com. In this video,